Hello and welcome. Finally I have got the right parts. Left one is the original, category 2, and the right one is category 1. I have small tractor with category 1. Make sure when you buy some appliances, then you change or you purchase it ahead, category 1 or which you need, so you can start working. The issue I had was that I assembled the machine, the equipment Saturday, and I couldn't buy any more the required parts. So I bought it on Monday and now it's going to be changed and I can start to test it. This is probably the biggest piece I currently have, so just to demonstrate you how nicely it's cutting. I'm impressed. Nice, very satisfied. I can recommend this equipment so far. I cleaned the wood from tiny branches because they are stacking inside the bake and it can't be filled by itself. So I have prepared and cleaned those, and it's much easier because these tiny branches anyway, it's probably not reasonable to collect for heating. Otherwise it look like this. These tiny branches are getting stuck and I had to take them out. I will back them later. Not reasonable to collect those. I'm sure you can use those tiny branches, but you probably cannot collect them into the bake. It's good when you little bit shake the bag so you can fill it up completely. Of course, the best would be if you have some friend to help you, then it's much easier, definitely. But you can do it by yourself as well. Takes a little bit more time, but no problem. Have to find the right amount when the bag is full, so I don't have to. I just can take it off and pack it. Otherwise, when it's too much, then you have some extra work. But don't worry, more work you do, you get more used with it. So by the end of the day, I actually almost fill the bags ideally. You will get used with it. I already thought someone's coming to help with the work, but not this time. Job done and enjoying nice evening with the fire and sunset. Thank you for watching and see you next time.